Morning guys, out on a normal morning ride, a local trail. I'm out on the Nosfet Aero and I'm using the rider bag from Rider Bag. Really good bags, to be fair. Nice and luminous at night and plenty of storage, so yeah, surprising there's discount code for that, right? And I've got Elite headgear as normal at the moment. I haven't used my Rurook actually in a while. My Rurook I think now is more of a winter helmet, so I'll probably start to be using that now we're getting into September. I think I'll start to be using that when we go on more of the city rides like Cambridge and some of the other ones as well. It's just a lot better, that sort of stuff. And time of year as well, if you go around like lakes and stuff, you get all the gnats and things in the UK and they just fire at you like thousands at a time. So full face with a lid definitely helps. Starting to feel like my Nosfet Aero has got top speed of around 23. I'll be interested to know what you guys out there are seeing on the Nosfet Aero if you've got it. I really like it, it's fine, but I am getting a little bit of pedal pushback at 23. Now I have set everything so it's not that. Maybe I was on the wrong impression that this can do 30 miles an hour, which is why I had mine set around 28, like for the alarms. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. But yeah, let us know in the comments if you've got an Aero or you've tried an Aero and you know what top speed you've got without obviously it beeping like a mad thing. And yeah, it's just a nice chilled out ride. I thought I'd take you along. I thought I'd maybe do a little bit of filming. I'm gonna go around the normal track. It's a bit of a range test as well. I haven't really done a range test on the Aero yet. At the moment I'm at 3.9 miles and I started at 98%. So we'll see how we go. We'll stop a little further away around the trail, and yeah, we'll see what's what. Anyway, stay here. Okay, we're at 72%, 10.7 miles. It's been a nice enough morning, apart from a few people. There's one particular Karen we go through, very respectfully I might add, we go through a, I don't know, horse farm, whatever you want to say, training ground. And there's some people walking horses, so we slow right the way down to like walking speed, like anyone else should do, like in a car or a bike or anything like that. And then I just got some Karen that, like, you know, wanting to voice her opinion. You shouldn't be doing it, blah, blah, blah. So I just turned around politely and said, I'm not doing any harm, so just, you know, what does it matter to you, sort of thing, and rode off, because then people just aren't worth the time. And then I run into a Saturday morning marathon. Of course you do. And for a marathon runner, you should know the difference between left and right of the path. So I stuck to the right, and there was a few people that moved, and there's a few people that didn't. Let's just put it that way. Overall, good so far. That sort of thing, I think we should be able to do the full loop as well as the extra bit that we do. Not up to this other town, but we'll see how we go. We'll keep going, and I'll take you along. So we just stopped and we're at about 65% on the battery. I've done about 12.9 miles on the Aero, and we've probably got about another, probably about another 6 or so to go, going around the normal loop and then back the way we normally go. Just stopped up. I found it's probably always been there, but we've never come across on a Saturday morning, a little coffee shop. So one to note, a good coffee shop, hopefully to stop to on group rides. My 360 seems to be playing up as well, so hopefully the footage has come out. I'm recording at 8K 24 frames, but I can't seem to turn it off, so I have to power it off. So maybe it's a firmware problem, but we'll see how that goes. Coffee time, coffee and breakfast. Perfect for a Saturday morning. So I'm recording this on my iPhone. I was going to bring the big camera out, but it just didn't seem worth it for the type of kind of ride and stuff like that. Here is an absolute in chaos because of the lid, but hey ho. May not be a video for a week or two, so the next video and trip that I'm doing is hopefully, if it goes well, Bruges in Belgium, end of next week. As of recording this, it's like mid-September. So we're driving over again, me and a couple of friends, we're driving over to Bruges, and we're going to do some riding. We're taking the Aero, taking the small wheel, not to sort of be too, I suppose, offensive or obstructive. The laws are okay over there, but they're not, perfect. So just need to be a bit mindful of that, and keep the speeds low and that sort of stuff, and go and explore. And I'll take you along, and I plan to take the big camera and the 360 and my Aero. So it should be a lot of fun. We've got a hotel for a couple of nights. The Friday night and the Saturday night. We're driving early on Friday morning, so we should get there, I think, Friday afternoon in Bruges, settle in, and then go exploring on the wheels. So we've got until kind of late on Sunday. We might even maybe do Dunkirk on the way back. Well, wasn't expecting that, but that is a cracking looking breakfast. Happy days. Hi guys, so final update then. So I'm about a mile away from home. I've done 21.3 miles, probably averaging anywhere between 17 and 23 miles an hour. Still pushes back at about 23, so I need to look at that. I'm on 38%, so I'm expecting the low pushback. The pushback was about 19 miles an hour. Anyway, thanks guys. See you on the next one. Bye.